Hi friend. Now in this session we are going to learn the poem Hope is the Thing with Feathers. On your book page number 14, 1.3, Hope is the Thing with Feathers. This poem is written by Emily Dickinson. In this poem there is given warming up activity, and in this warming up activity you have asked some questions. Now I am going to ask you questions. You should answer me. Okay? Do you ever feel nervous?
Yes, I feel ever nervous.
Okay. Do you ever feel really depressed?
Yes, I feel really depressed.
Then what makes you nervous or depressed?
Difficult times in my life and failure in my study make me nervous or depressed.
Okay, means difficult times in your life or failure make you nervous or depressed. Then what do you hope for on this occasion?
I hope that failure in my work may be replaced with success. However, difficult times in my life should be disappear.
Have you hope for something that you knew was difficult?
Yes, I have hope for something that I knew was difficult.
Okay. Then last question. What do you have to do to fulfill your hopes?
I have to work hard in every situation. I must continue my efforts to fulfill my hopes.
Okay, very nice. Now look at here. The only ray of hope. On the page 14, there is given some pictures and the captions. Now look at the pictures. First A, maroon on an island. Then B, lost in a forest. And then C, stranded on the highway. And there is given some captions. In captions, A, group of passengers are maroon on an island in the middle of the ocean. B, group of pilgrims traveling on foot have lost their way in a thick jungle. C, a team of players from an office have got down at the wrong place on a highway at night. It is lonely spot. Let each group make a presentations with the help of what they have written. Before make a presentations, at first we are going to match the pictures with the captions. Okay. Now look at, there are some pictures and the captions. Okay. Let's see A. A group of passengers are marooned on an island in the middle of the ocean. Okay. This one. Then second B. A group of pilgrims traveling on foot have lost their way in thick jungle. Okay. Then last one. A team of players from an office have got down at the wrong place on a holiday at night. It is lonely. Okay. Means there is the pictures are given and captions are given. Now what we have to do? We have to make a presentations with the help of what they have written. For examples, I am going to tell you how to make presentation. First, we are going to make presentations on a group of passengers are marooned on an island in the middle of the ocean. Okay. I and my friends are marooned on an island. It is really lonely and solitary place. It is very fearful place. The whole place is covered with water. One cannot see the bank of water from an island. One cannot see one can see fearful and dangerous marine life from this scary place. My friends are frightened to be such a lonely and solitary place. What a frightening place. How fearful. How terrible looking. Oh God. What happened are the reactions of my companions. Our faith in God, our confidence is the only ray of hope for us. Most important thing is that our confidence is the only ray of hope for us. We hope that someone will come and take us to our hopes. My two friends try to get help. They will get food packs and bottle of water because we all are hungry and there is no food and no water. So that look at here, what is the hope? Hope is that confidence means in such critical and difficult situation, confidence is the only ray of hope. And then hope is that someone will come and take us to our hopes. Means when you are in difficult situation, at that time you have hope, you have confidence, you can come out of these situations. Okay, now we are going to discuss on B group. A group of pilgrims traveling on foot have lost their way in thick jungle. While going through the forest, I and some other pilgrims have lost our ways in thick jungle. We have parted from the other pilgrims and our main group. The jungle is very thick, trees are very high. One can experience darkness even during days. It is difficult for sun rays to reach on the ground. One can listen dangerous and fearful sounds of violent animals. There are no roads, but only small pathways. It is difficult to find our way. My friends are terrified to be in this jungle. What a horrible place. What a bad place. How fearful it is. But we have confidence in ourselves. We feel that God will take us to safer place. Our faith in God is only a ray of hope for us. My two companions try to get help for us. They will choose knife and torch. These things will be useful to find out way in thick jungle. Means here is hope is that God will help them to find the place. Next turn to C group. A team of players from an office have got down at the wrong place on a highway at night. It is lonely spot. Let's see what is the opinion about this C group. I and my teammates have got down at wrong place on highway at night. It is lonely. There is darkness everywhere. The darkness is so thick that one cannot see anything clearly. It is a highway, but it is like a desert place. There are no movements of vehicles. One cannot find even a signal sign of human settlement around. There are no hotels around to drink water or eat anything there. There is no single person except us. One can listen fearful sounds of different creatures. My teammates feel really unhappy to find on this lonely spot. What frightening place. How horrible it is. Oh. How can we reach here? There are some reactions of my friends. We have hopeful hearts. We hope that God will lead us to proper place. Our faith in God is only ray of hope for us. My two teammates try to get help for us. They will make mobile phones. They will take mobile phones so we can contact to our relatives. They will help us to reach our destination. However, they will take a stick. It will be very useful in critical time. Means believe in God or faith in God is the only ray of hope here is given. Means we come to know that whenever we have some problems or we are in difficult situation, difficult conditions, at that time we have hope. We have confidence. Our hopes, confidence will save from the situation. Okay, got it? Now you should write down yourself in your notebook from anyone's situations the only ray of hope in the same manner. Understand? Now look at here is on page number 14. There is given a box, and in that box there is given property. Look at this is the property. Means in this property here is given property. You should take some things. What is given there? Allow student to name anything they can think without restricting the choices. A few suggestions are a torch, a whistle, food packs, a bottle of water, plastic, paper bags, newspaper, a knife, rope, matchbox, needle and thread, mobile phones, a stick, a piece of clothes, or a basket. Means you can take properties from this according to the situations. Means these things will help you in this situation. Just I told you in the first, a group of passengers are marooned on an island in the middle of the ocean. Here is they take packets, bottle of water. In the second, we have learned that they choose knife and torch. These things will be useful to find out the way in thick jungle. And in the third C group, they chose a stick. It will be useful in critical time. So that in the same manner, you should choose anything as per the situation or as per the conditions. Got it? Okay. Now look at there is given describe your surrounding in 4 or 5 sentences. Write the reactions of your companion using exclamations. Using your imaginations, write what is the only ray of hope for you. Two members of your group are going out to try to get help. They can take any 5 things with them and write what they choose and why they choose it. Means describe your surrounding in 4 or 5 sentences. Means things about your surrounding, such type of surrounding just we have discussed, and then write the exclamations of your companions, his friends. Using your imaginations, write what is the only ray of hope for you. and then you should take that 5 things with you. Write what you choose or why you choose it. Any 5 things. This is the presentations. Means you should make these presentations individually. Okay, and show me it on our WhatsApp group. Next session we will learn detail. Hope is the thing with feathers. If you have any problem, doubt regarding to this activity, you should contact me. Okay, very nice. Thank you.